Ibat sa suot ako, no? Ibat siya sa suot ako.
And of course, para sa ating mga bikers, no, you can avail our free photo booth sa likod po. At the same time, you can have your pictures in front sa ating leg mo. So we will be flashing our official logo for this year's adoption alternative child care consciousness week. And also, this week we are celebrating the power of love, transgender family, transformative potential, compassion, as outlined in RA 1164. So we are celebrating the Adoption and Alternative Child Care Consciousness Week.
Hoy, dali na ba?
And so for our participants, no, we would like to extend our, sorry, no, ma'am, sir, for those participants po na hindi natatanggap ng ating bisikleta kit, we will be, our t-shirt, okay? Na to-follow na lang po ang t-shirt. It's just because may nakaproblema lang po for the supply ng ating t-shirt. So, rest assured po, we promise that one na mapapalo po namin, mapapalo po namin yung mga t-shirt. And once again, we would like to remind everyone to please put all your trashes po sa ating designated area. So we have installed garbage bins, or we have there, our social workers collecting all of our trashes. No, so para ma-maintain po nato ang cleanliness sa ato ang Rizal Park. Once again, we would like to request everyone to please put all your trashes sa designated trash bins.
Murag Tyson. Okay na? Good job.